ready to rock the runway with your own digital fabric designs. Let's jump straight into Photoshop and craft a seamless plaid pattern that'll make your projects pop. First, create a new document. A square canvas works best. Let's go with 500 by 500 pixels, RGB color mode, and 70 to dpi. This size will give us a good balance between detail and performance. Grab your rectangle marquee tool. We're going to create the base stripes of our plaid. Draw a thin, horizontal rectangle near the top of your canvas. Fill this selection with your first color. I'm using a deep blue. Create a new layer for each stripe. This helps keep things organized. Now, duplicate this layer and move it down. Vary the width of each stripe and the spacing between them to create some visual interest. I'm creating 3 different sizes of stripes. Once you're happy with your horizontal stripes, merge them all into one layer. I'll name this layer Horizontal Stripes. Duplicate the horizontal stripes layer, then go to Edit, greater than, transform, greater than, rotate 90 degrees clockwise. This creates our vertical stripes. Change the blend mode of your newly rotated stripe layer to multiply. This will create that classic plaid intersection look, where the colors blend together. To give it a more fabric-like feel, let's add some subtle texture. Go to Filter, greater than, nose, greater than, add nose. Keep the amount low, around 3%, and choose Uniform and Monochromatic. Almost there. Go to Edit, greater than, define pattern. Give your pattern a name, like Cool Plaid, and click OK. Now, you can use this pattern in any layer style as a pattern overlay. Just select Pattern Overlay in your Layer Styles panel. Choose your plaid and adjust the scale to your liking, and that's it. You've created your own custom plaid pattern in Photoshop. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more design tutorials.